Hello lovelies and good morning. So I closed my window to hopefully soften the light, because in editing my last vlogs I'm like, wow, I'm shiny. I'm like, shiny. They're going better this one. So this is the second day of Vlogmas, because I'm only doing 12 days of Vlogmas. That's the goal. If I reach that, yay! If not, I tried. I'm here for the experience, okay? I'm here for the experience. Also, my phone, I'm sorry, when I had my Samsung phone, I still used to get good audio, even if it was like this distance apart. And I have a microphone, but stupid phone. Stupid phone. Anyhow, today in Vlogmas, I am going to draw the postcard or the print for January's Happy Meal. I don't know what to call it. So this is the illustration I was thinking about. This is like all crowded, but basically it's a girl with a bag, like a bag of meal, and she's trying to catch a meal in her hand. And this one's a more flushed out, so you will have like scenes in the back. So this is some clouds, and this is like a cottage, because it's a kind of cottage core. Can you hear me? Kind of cottage core kind of illustration. This is the first sketch. This is like a, I don't know what that is. And this, oh wow, you can see, and this is another one that didn't work out. So I like the pose of this. This is more like movement. I love to show movement in my illustration, but this one is too stagnant, so that's why I'm not using this one. But I like the boxes in the background telling like a story. So that's what I'm going to do today, because originally the first illustration was supposed to be Fred as a mailman, but I just don't feel it anymore. I still might do it, because drawing Fred and George is like super easy. I still might do it like as a, yeah, I will do it for in celebration of it being my first physical rewards. So yeah, so it could be that illustration and the one with Fred and George as mailmen. And I think it would be really, really good, because I already designed the stickers. The stickers was designed for October. Ooh, rain. Was designed for October. I was going to do physical rewards then, but then reasons. happened, and I couldn't do it anymore. So January, physical rewards for my patrons. Alright guys, so I'm into the drawing, and oh yeah, I promised that I show you the sticker sheet. Alright, let's go. So here are the stickers, my Happy Meal stickers. They're basically, what do you call this? Stamps. Wow. And look how cute. Here's Fred and George. I have to change the color because I'll finally get the colors digitally done for them. And that's very good. And oh, Ruby, and then this. I'm loving it. It's so cute. And even a little plush Bob. Looks Bob. Look Bob. And a mushroom friend. And a cactus because they're cute. So these are the stickers. But since I don't have a cutting machine, they'll be individually cut out. So, yay! Yay! My hand is going to kill me because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, 10 on this. Alright, so make sure and sign up on December 30th. Oh no, January 1st. In order to get these rewards. I love how these came out. And this one, wow, I'm just gonna change these colors now, and I should print them out and leave them whole until I could get the glassine bags to put them in, because look how cute. I forgot how cute these are. Alright, so now I'm going to draw the postcard for January. Yay! This is where I reached with the illustration. I was going with this pose, but I find I do this a lot, like with my cozy from the November wallpaper. I did this pose. I'm doing this pose a lot. So I found this running pose on Pinterest and I was like, okay, I'm gonna do that instead. It'll be cool. And I got like 2 new patrons, and it's like, what is going on? And I think they just want the cat stickers. I ain't blame them, but even though they came up, I'm not seeing them here. You could see them like when I do my notifications. You'll see them pop up, but I can't message them to say welcome to Team Lovely, and I don't understand what's going on. Patreon, fix your website, please. I want to thank my patrons. Okay, so I don't like the pose that I chose again for the illustration, and it's pissing me off because usually when I like settle on a pose, I might change it 2 or 3 times at this time. I'm like, nothing works. So since I'm getting frustrated by the illustration, I decided to take a step back and I'm gonna bake a cake, because why the hell not? I like baking and I feel for cake, so let's go. And why you put it quite down there in the pantry? Here. No, let me put the flour in first and then do that. Girl. It does snow here. Oh wait, wait. I forgot something.
You know what, if I was to give a final summary on this guy, I would say I like the face.
Yeah. Ooh. Ah. Where's her? Where's her?
A cake.
A cake. Fine. I don't know how you know that, man. Toronto, you're hot. Yes, sweetie. Okay guys, so I finished bake the cake. I haven't tasted yet because the food was almost finished and I'm like, I'm gonna eat the cake after, you know. And apparently just taking the time off give me like a break and clarity. Oh wow, nice angle. Hi, hello. A break and clarity of what to do with my drawing, the illustration, and I just decided to take a picture of what I already sketched, upload it, and draw over that. Like, psst, something that has been detailed us all this time. So that's what I'm doing right now because I am over it already. It tastes so good. Alright, so if you want this recipe, this record, it's by Eater Food, but it's called Trini Sponge Cake from Eater Food. If you want the recipe. Now, my brother and his family has come over and they're eating out on my cake. Does taste better. So it's the next day. The cake is devoured and my head hurts. So I think it's the constant. Whoa. I think it's the constant staring at the computer screen because I'm getting a migraine. And I have these glasses that helps from, you know, UV or blue light or whatever they call it. And it used to work, but it disappeared from my drawer. No, I don't leave my house. It was in my drawer, it was literally in my drawer, and it just disappeared. I asked everybody, nobody knew where it gone, and my mom's like, and you have another one? That's not the point. But I do have another one. And comes like this because I have to finish the illustration today because I set myself a goal and I need to finish it, and these really do help. So I don't know if it's a placebo effect or if it actually helps, but it helps with the headaches from staring at the screen for too long. So I'm going to finish the illustration. Okay guys, so brace yourself. This is the sketch for the illustration. Don't worry guys, it's a process. It's a process. So I didn't really want to film the sketching phase since I was stressing out so much. You see, hands for gesture. Since I was stressing out so much, but now that I got the sketch down. Oh, also let me show you guys something because I still can't choose between the two. Let's take out the background. So should I do this here or this here? I'm really stuck between the two, but I'm more into this illustration for the whole thing in the scheme of stuff. Now in the morning it looks still don't know what to choose. I'm going with this one. Alright then, so I'm going to show you a time lapse of the drawing now.
Take my hand and hold it tight. Look at the paintings, I'll be your guide. Don't stop looking in my eyes. Are you cold? Do you want to sit down? I've been here a million times, so I know my way around. Don't stop looking at me now. I know you don't care as much as I do, but I'm just content.
Okay, lovelies, so it's still kind of confusing, but take away. I really like the background. She's in front, she's like the letter carrier or something. I didn't need to go so hard on the background, but how could I not? How could I not? I'm really enjoying this one and the sky one, the color. I haven't figured out the color scheme yet, so that's why I'm ending it here. Okay, lovelies, so even lighting. So these do help. Oh, message. Yeah, these do help. Placebo or not, they do help with lessening the headaches I have by watching the screen for a long period of time. And I'm ending the vlog here, guys. Vlogmas day 2 done. Yay! And next vlog I will print the stickers, and this first time printing stickers here from a printer. And I'll also I already designed it. I'll also draw the new Patreon tiers, because it's weird that I have the stickers and I finished the line art for the postcard that's going out, but yet who's messaging me? I'm not popular. And just now. Okay. And I don't really have the tier design. I have the rewards I'm giving out, but I don't have the tier. My niece and my nephew is going ham in the school. But anyhow, I'm ending it here, and I'd like to thank my patrons: YK, Princess Auntie, me, Harriet Shashaya, Amber Padeo, Jennifer Tabaiko, Tatiana Vogt of Tatiana Vogt Art, and Remire Kent. Thank you, lovelies, so much for supporting me. Okay, and don't forget to sign up January 1st in order to get my first ever Patreon reward, physical reward. Yay! I'm exhausted for some reason. Alright guys, bye.
Monet might be too much and Van Gogh might take a while, but thank you for coming. I know that you're trying to do anything to make me smile.